Welcome to 14 Washington in Naugatuck. This is a rare opportunity and you don't want to sleep on it. You get not one great home, not just two great homes, but two homes and a two-car garage. And mix in a beautiful side yard for a garden, a huge backyard that's perfect for a playscape, a great front yard that's perfect for all your holiday decorations. There's off-the-street parking. There is on-the-street parking. There's updates that have been done. They have new roofs, updated siding. You do not want to miss it. I cannot wait to show it to you. It's the first time it's ever been on the market. Again, a rare opportunity. Let's take advantage of it. Let's go see it right now. Excited to show it to you. So now we are inside the front house, and here you will find this big eat-in kitchen, a parlor to my left, a living room straight ahead, butler's pantry behind me that leads out to the second house, a full bath, two more bedrooms upstairs. This is just one of the properties here. I can't wait to show you the house in back, but think about all the opportunity. Live in the front, rent out the back, live in the back, rent out the front. Bring your cousin, your brother, your mother, have everybody on one property. There's so many options here. So now we are over behind the second home, and this continues to amaze. Right behind me, you're gonna see another great side yard area. There's so much room here. There's also a two-car garage. This property has everything. You get two houses, two-car garage, two separate yard areas. Whether you're living here and renting the other house, or you just have a big family, this is a rare find here in the great town of Naugatuck. Can't wait to show you the inside of this house, but in the meantime, let's look around the yard. So now inside the second home, you have this great eat-in kitchen, butcher block tops. You have laundry in each unit as well. It is such a warm feel. Giant living room right to my right, two generous bedrooms upstairs, a full basement. There is so much to see. Set up your appointment today. Rare opportunity, first time on the market. You don't want to miss it. Well, there you have it. That is 14 Washington. Great investment opportunity or multi-family generational living. Don't wait. Call me to set up a showing. I'm Dave Jones, Dave Jones Realty, 203-910-2638. Can't wait to show it to you.